guys, it's Nick. I'm here on Penang Island in Malaysia. I just got off the ferry and now I'm going to walk through Georgetown to try to find my hotel and see what the area is like. This is my first time here, so I have no clue. So let's start walking. So I just got off the ferry over there. There's buses and taxis over here, but I'm going to try to walk just to see what this area is like because I have no idea. And it doesn't look like my hotel is that far. I think it's about 1 kilometer or so. So why not? My first impression was I've never been here before, but looking at the map, I thought maybe this was a smaller island, but later on I looked, I see this is like over, I don't know, 100, 110 square miles, which is like 10 miles by 10 miles, or about, what, 16 kilometers by 16 kilometers. That's about 4 times as big as Manhattan. And when I was looking for hotels, I thought maybe I could just stay over on the other side on the mainland in Butterworth, and I could just come over like it's a small island or something like that. That's not really the case. And the weird thing is, from what I saw of where the train lets off in Butterworth and where the ferry is, it looks like there's nothing over there. It's just all industrial port kind of look to it. So hopefully Georgetown is a lot different than that. I mean, it's got to be. So many people come here. And how did all these cars get here? Oh yeah, there is a bridge. There is a bridge coming over that's down over this way. So, but it looks like a pretty big place. Mercedes Service Center. I'm wearing long pants just because when I travel I usually do, because trains and planes are cold usually, but it's really humid over here. So I'd like to get back to my hotel and switch out hopefully soon. So this is where I need to turn right according to Google Maps. What is this place? Do not park at the entrance. Something to come back to now. How do you cross the streets here? There's no lights. There's no anything. So I'm gonna take a look. Oh, rickshaw. That looks fun. So I have no clue. Am I in right in the center of this? I'm not sure yet. But I'm here for 6 days. So I'll figure it out, or 6 nights or something. Sunday, today's Sunday. I'm leaving next Saturday, so whatever that is, I think that's 6 nights. So, gotta look up the history of Penang because I'm not so sure why this is like built up, but the other side where Butterworth is not really. Is this? I don't know. I don't want to speak on it because I have no idea of the history. I gotta look it up a little bit. But so far, Seems like an interesting place. Very old buildings for sure. And taking the train out here from Kuala Lumpur, it's like 3.5 hour ride, something like that. And you see that most of Malaysia, or at least, you know, the countryside riding up to here is nothing like, you know, it's not all like Kuala Lumpur high rises and all that stuff. It's more smaller houses and stuff, older stuff like that. But they do have bigger cities, obviously, with a lot of high rises as well. Alright, let's check my Google Maps and see where I'm going right now. Let's see. Just got to keep following this street and kind of merge left. Everybody is standing around for pictures for this bike. Apparently Penang is known for a bunch of interesting street art and stuff like that. Let's see. The first one wasn't that impressive. She was going to get up there and dance to the music, but no such luck. That is a sad Spider-Man or whoever that is. Is that, I don't know who that is, but Umbrella Street over here. Okay. Crossroads over here. Almost got run over because I didn't make a decision. Temple or something? Yeah. This. Something else soon enough. Yeah, so it seems kind of quiet, even though it is a Sunday, but I don't know. Is 6 nights here too much, maybe? think so. Like 2 more blocks and I make a left. What is this? Old House Restaurant. Happy Buddha? Is that what that is? You dropped something.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, good to know. 1 more block and I gotta make a left.
就是有一种证明过呢。
Chinese pastries. That's pretty good. This looks pretty good too. So, this Korean food. Yeah. Cooking up a lot of stuff over here. Yeah, I think this is my street. Yeah, there's my hotel, Kimberly Hotel, Georgetown. So yeah, it's right in the middle of all kinds of stuff. I hope these guys ain't gonna be playing this music all night long. That could drive you crazy if you gotta listen to this for hours at a time. Oh my God. White coffee? What is that? I have to try that. Okay guys, that's my first look at Penang, walking through Georgetown to my hotel, the Kimberly Hotel Georgetown over here. So far, I'm a little underwhelmed, maybe because it's a Sunday and not a lot of stores are open right now or something, but come out later tonight and see if maybe everybody comes out at night to eat. Let's see how this hotel is. It's pretty nice actually. Okay, so let's take a first look at this hotel room before I take all my stuff out and make it messy. Okay, starting with the view, which not much of. No balcony. Right, hot water and coffee and stuff. Decent sized bed. I don't see no room safe. I got the AC on max right now. It's starting to come out cold, so that should be good. There's not much to this room. This is the bathroom. A shower. Right, not bad. So I'm staying in this room for 6 nights. I believe it was $222, which comes out to like $37 a night, which is $1 more than I paid in that nice place I stayed at in Kuala Lumpur city center for 7 nights. That was like $250 for 7 nights. That's like $36, so about the same. Obviously that place is much nicer than this place. And one thing I don't like is there's no refrigerator, so I can't go and get some snacks or ice cream or cold cuts or something like that, some peanut butter and jelly or something. But this room does come with a free breakfast every day, so that's got to be worth at least $5, $6, $7, $8 or something like that. So as long as the air conditioning and the Wi-Fi is working, that's kind of what matters most, and the bed is relatively comfortable, I'll make do. So this is what you get in Georgetown, Penang for like $37 a night. The hotel lobby looked really nice though.